Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get and install Minecraft mods on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see, this is on PC guys, so this will be possible on PC only. So once you are here, I'll suggest to go on over and go over to this site. All you have to do is search for Forge, and all you have to do is select the first link, and you should be here on this website. So all you have to do here guys is make sure to select the latest version of Minecraft. So as you can see, the latest version of Minecraft here is 1.20, so 1.20.1 also here, and make sure to select the installer, and that should install the Forge app here, Microsoft Minecraft Forge, which is right here. So once you've installed this, all you have to do is double click and open. Okay, so however, if you don't have yet Java installed, if you are doing this for the first time, then this should be on a folder, and it will not be supported, and it is not an executable file. So in order to solve this, all you have to do guys is go over to the java.com website and download Java. Once done downloading, it should look like this guys, and hit on OK, and that should install it. So once that's done guys, it should go ahead and install the Minecraft Forge. And the next step guys is to install the mods itself for Minecraft. So all you have to do is go over to CourseForge.com, go over to browse here and select the Minecraft here, and all you have to do is go over to the mods here, view all, and select what mod you want. So all you have to do is download that. So you just have to wait for this to finish. So as you can see, it's now done, I think. So there, as you can see, it's now done. So all you have to do is go ahead and drag and drop that to your desktop, so it will be much easier. So there guys, so once done with this, the next step to do is to go over and make sure that go over to the Minecraft app or the Minecraft launcher here, and once that's done, you should go ahead to here on the play. You should go ahead and go over to installations here, and it should locate here the Forge here. All you have to do is go ahead and hit play, and it should redirect you to the Minecraft, and it should have a window right here. So over here you should see here a mods here, mods button. So click that, go ahead and click that, and all you have to do is drag and drop that file, the Microsoft or the Minecraft file that we've just go ahead and downloaded. So you just have to drag and drop that to there. All you have to do is select that and click on that, and you should be good to go, and you should see that mods perfectly fine. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can install Minecraft mods. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.